Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I chat with someone on Venmo? Before we get into that, I want to take a moment to talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. Now that we know what Venmo is, let's get back to the question at hand. Can I chat with someone on Venmo? The answer is yes. You can chat with someone on Venmo in a few different ways. The first way is to use the chat function within the app. This allows you to send and receive text messages with other Venmo users. The second way is to use the Venmo Notes feature. This allows you to leave notes for other Venmo users on their transactions. The third way is to use the Venmo social feed. This allows you to see what other Venmo users are up to and interact with them. How to chat with someone on Venmo. 1. Use the chat function. To use the chat function, open the Venmo app and tap on the chat icon. Then, select the contact you want to chat with. 2. Use the Venmo Notes feature. To use the Venmo Notes feature, open the Venmo app and tap on the Transactions tab. Then, select the transaction you want to leave a note on. Tap on the Add Note button and enter your note. 3. Use the Venmo social feed. To use the Venmo social feed, open the Venmo app and tap on the Social tab. Then, scroll through the feed and look for posts from other Venmo users. You can interact with these posts by liking them, commenting on them, or sending the user a direct message. Benefits of chatting on Venmo. There are a few benefits to chatting with someone on Venmo. It's a convenient way to communicate with your friends and family about money. It's a secure way to communicate with your friends and family about money. It's a fun way to stay connected with your friends and family. Risks of chatting on Venmo. There are also some risks to chatting with someone on Venmo. You could be scammed. You could be exposed to malware. You could have your privacy violated. How to stay safe when chatting on Venmo. Here are a few tips for staying safe when chatting on Venmo. Only chat with people you know and trust. Be careful about sharing personal information. Be aware of scams. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Chatting with someone on Venmo can be a great way to stay connected with your friends and family. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved and take steps to stay safe. Additional tips. You can also use Venmo to chat with businesses and organizations. You can use Venmo to make group payments. You can use Venmo to donate to charity. Venmo is a great way to chat with your friends and family about money. It's a convenient, secure, and fun way to stay connected. Just be sure to be aware of the risks involved and take steps to stay safe. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. Thanks for watching. I would also like to add some additional resources to my video. Venmo website, https://venmo.com. Venmo Help Center, https://help.venmo.com/hc/n-us. Venmo blog, https://venmo.com/send-receive/tips-tricks. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. Thanks for watching.